Hadin ka jingki phalo jong sanyi hima sima ha keleng gi jaka jong jala kalalong kumju ru hapo Nongpoh constituency Haribhoi district. Menta kesengi keseng kongres kala pediang sungba ya kejing peniaso jong ke MDC barim jong Nongpoh constituency jong keseng UDP ka kong Rona Khymdeit ka badiru ka longkemi ka balai kunteng ha ke election MLA ha kini ki samoy jit nong mikmat ki baladem. Hagane kejing peniaso jong ketik MDC barim ke Nongpoh constituency la peniaso lang ru DSP barim uba Shalwi Sumalai upastor PW penar rengkat bat gikat to ke neki nong kersian jong ke kong Rona Khymdeit. La penlong ye kejing ilang pediang ye kita Nongialam ha indoor stadium Nongpoh ha kepala pediang ye ki daw presiden jong ke Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee Uma Vincent H Pala ubalong ru ha keju por MP jong ke Lok Sabha na Shillong Sin. La yadon lang ru kinongkit kam bahakmat jong parti ki bakentup ya uba PNC ubri working president jong ke MPCC uba Andrian C Melim ubri presiden jong ke MPYC uba Charles Marngar ubri presiden jong ke RBDCC u Dr Celestine Lengdo ubri advisor jong ke RBDCC uba longru hakuju por MLA barim jong ke Umsning uba MG Kharshan Lor ubri secretary jong ke RBDCC bat kiwei
Long kacing sisa baru sikatu ngadon haka UDP dan rei kumbang laom mentam ru hakapor kebangami kidon hi kidau akan do kan ne ke ya tuku abaya tre ya tuku hi abatri pun ya tuku pun abaya tre duna ya tuku duna ke rei haka politics nga tharai kam long la na ka banta ka jona la ne wat na ka banta jong new sitting MLA ru bangen ya pek ben ya mi haka no ka parti la ne haka no ka kanpun ka ba khamsuk na ka banta ka jungi ka ban kham long convenient mo dengan at po Nongpoh hi ka ka banga syam ka ka banga lap ka banga experience ka long ba ngarem shirem ha ka parti kongres om ha ki we parti bat ngai i ba hapo Nongpoh hi like neki neki a parti undon da ki we pat de hadin banga snow bana ka UDP ngam i don chance yu ya ka bangan yo ban yele namar ngadang kum kan nong yele ka ngam pat susah ngadang don i ka ban siem ka ban syakri ki pat dan akan kita tahu apa parti kongres ka wan ban tepat ya kan ka cing trilang ka i ya ka chance le ka ya hap kata ka cing kwa ka chonga dan akan kita tahu ngejoin ya kan ka parti da ka cing tumu pengaruh kan yele election rekat ka cing ular ka joki ban ong ba la da pi wan ka parti jongi i kloi ban ai ka tiket ban yele ka election from before only like I just admire this party but I haven't get the chance to enter to it so I'm just taking this opportunity since there is any the invitation from the president himself of the MPCC. He approached me and requested that we should work together. So I'm impressed with that and then I just have to hope and I know very well since I fight personally this election like it is very difficult to fight the Congress. That's why I used to keep on losing from time to time.
Today, since you have joined the Congress and now the higher up of the Congress had also announced that the next election tickets will be yours. So what do you feel and what do you want to say to that and especially to the general public of Nongpoh?
Right now, like I can't say anything because I'm just joining it today itself. I think time will tell and then I'll just
But the tickets have been announced to you?
Yes, definitely. I'm so grateful that they have announced it today. And then Dr. Celestine is the member of the selection committee. I think they will not deny me anymore. Actually, I have a little bit of doubt before joining the Congress party because when they approach me, they don't approach me as the supporter. They approach me like to contest the election because MDC MLA is a free. No one is there because our MLA is exit from our party. So I'm taking this opportunity like it's my chance again. Like I have given my talk there. Like I'll try my best from this party. Since it is the history of Nongpoh constituency, hardly only Dr. Constantine Lengdo. Constantine Lengdo he just won only once. But after that, me and Dr. Celestine, we just got only the MDC twice. But the rest is with the Congress. So I just hope that this time it will be repeat the history.